Yes, don't go anywhere. We have some awesome, exciting stuff for you today.
All in. Go big or go home.
This is the all-in bundle, okay?
Look at all this stuff.
This is where it's at, okay?
And the discounts you're getting on this are some of the biggest discounts we've ever given out.
And this isn't for everyone, but if you're serious about quilting or crafting of any kind and having the best tools for professional results every single time, this is your bundle. This is for you, okay? And you deserve it. We don't have a lot of time.
We're going to go fast, okay?
So pay attention.
So the all-in bundle, let's go big.
Okay, let's start with the
flip and fold mat. So if you haven't seen this, we're going to go really quick. This is a 48.
You do. Sorry.
Yeah.
I'm just going to say
48 by 36.
Look at this.
Look, I went from 18 by 12 to 36 by 48.
I'm sorry. I was talking through
That's
this,
okay.
but there's 5 mats in one. Okay.
This is your portable mat. This gets you out of
jail.
Space, gets you out of jail, quilters jail, and gets you to the on a different space, get you to the guild show, and
you can store that anywhere.
The flip and fold mat. That is huge.
Show us this Ultra.
All right, so let's talk about the Ultra. Now, when you say Ultra, that sort of connotates something big.
Not so heavy.
26 by 19 inches.
26 by 19 inches. Wow.
I have not seen a bigger board than this. So 26 by 19, 3 levels. Now, if you're just joining us,
every sense of the word,
and want to see what's different about our light boards, and I'm going to quickly show this. This is a great space for your transfers and your tracing, obviously. And
totally
all of
fits
those
a fat quarter square.
This is, they say, you never regret going bigger. This is the perfect example.
For real, this is perfect.
Now, what makes CutterPillar different from all our competitors, again, this is our mat. This is our translucent
edge to edge. This goes all the way to the edge.
Self-healing mat, so durable. Now with this, it's so bright, it's blinding our camera here.
Yeah, I know. Let's do another close-up like this. Can you guys see that?
So you see those grid marks and all those hash marks? Those are your reference points for your paper piecing, for your foundation, for your placement, your squaring up, all of those things. They shine through the fabric, through the backing, through your paper piecing.
Oh my goodness!
So
this is game changing for paper piecing.
Absolutely. What I like the most about all of our light boards, especially this, is no matter what your ambient light is, you could have 6 different lights around you, and I somehow always seem to get the lights behind me. So when I lean in to work on something, I'm blocking the light here. The light comes from underneath.
There's no shadows. Sorry, I just jumped the gun.
It becomes your favorite working space because there's no shadows.
Well,
let's talk rotating mats.
So let's talk about it.
To turn your fabric versus turn your body. That's the real idea. And when we already have our light source. We already
have it, and we need this too. And again, it holds it in place with these stoppers.
If you happen to get our bundle today, then you get the advantage of having that light, whether it's the couch or whether it's to Houston Festival.
On this. For those that missed, again, you guys can go back and watch. Yes, it comes with the cutting mat, of course.
All of our boards come with the cutting mat. That's what makes it stand up.
So you're getting, oh my gosh, you're getting 3 cutting mats with this bundle. The flip and fold that you can take anywhere, you can store anywhere. You get 5 mats in one there. Then you get the glow mat and the mini mat with the mini light board and the ultra light board.
Now let's talk about some of the accessories that make these things even better. So if you saw us the other day, we had you
can do any of this stuff.
These are the mounting magnets. Now with the mini, they're built in, right? So if you're doing your transfers and your tracing,
it's magnetic.
Little bad boys hold on to anything you put on there. Look, I'm shaking that as hard as I can, and those are not coming out.
We tested this the other day, and we put a heavy template, like a what are those, tracing templates?
Tracing template, yep.
Scrapbooking paper, fabric, and it held everything while we vigorously shook it.
Here's the beauty. I don't think we put it on this
one. Another close-up of it.
It also comes with a set of plates. Now, we didn't put them on the Ultra here, but they just mount on the back. We just haphazardly put these on there.
Yeah.
They're a permanent mount that allows you to turn
peel and stick
the Ultra into the same thing. So you're mounting on the Mini and you're mounting on the Ultra both.
Yeah. So it comes with the plates, referring back to this lovely display. Comes with the plates that you can add to the Ultra, or you can put more on your Mini, whatever. And then it comes with these special magnets. They're designed specifically for our innovations. I know what you're doing. Oh, there's so many good things. This is it. This is the package that you need in your craft room.
This is the Flex Light. Guys, this is one of our most popular products. This is flexible light where you want it.
You
This
can
tip moves wherever you want to go.
thread your needle so you don't have to have your wife
repeated
going to the
motion injury. You can open the bobbin, all those things. This little light lasts for about 8 to 10 hours.
There's 3 levels. It's super bright.
This is a fan favorite here. So the tempered glass is one of our most popular add-ons. It can be used on any of our size boards. It can be used on this especially. What's great about this is you could be tracing and transferring your applique because this is, you know what this is? I don't think I mentioned this.
Applique?
This is stovetop glass.
Oh,
That's why you can iron on this.
you can iron on this. You can
It goes up to
cut.
hundreds of degrees and you're fusing your applique
So
with
you
the
don't need
pattern underneath it and you're lining it up perfectly.
Chuck.
So you fuse all of these things at once.
I think you should win an award for all this. This is insane.
And you don't have to have a separate station. You
Awesome.
don't have to have a wool mat, all those things.
Do you have the okay, all
That's
this we also it comes with this huge ultra tote.
Right here?
Okay. Yes. Oh yeah, you bring it out. This fits the ultra plus like a million other things. You
All
can fit-
padded,
Yes, all padded. It keeps it safe and protected.
fully extra
So you
pocket
just-
for
We've done it before.
reinforce the bottom. It's got all metal hardware straps, a suitcase strap to strap onto your suitcase handle.
It's got this other huge
Extra pocket there,
pocket, 2
yeah.
huge pockets. Look at all
Trying
this
to fit
stuff.
it all in. We don't have enough
Can
time.
you imagine this all wrapped up under your Christmas tree? I mean, exciting. Like Christmas morning, Santa came.
This is called the clamp light, and I kind of ruined the big reveal here. So what's nice about this is you can see it, rather than holding it with your fingers, you're holding this with your strongest muscles. You go from your weakest muscles to
Let's get a close up of this right here. We got to show them the best
no,
part.
we save that for last.
Okay, are we gonna do it? Are
That's
you
the
gonna
big
do
reveal.
it?
So
The
it
big
goes from your
reveal.
weakest muscles. When you grab that, it's all triceps. So now when you're cutting here, you don't have your fingers are out of the way, and you have these strong cuts here. Now here's the icing on the cake.
You guys.
Illuminate your
Jack.
cutting.
Yes,
So as
that
you,
is insane. Because
you can see your hatch
You
marks.
can't have enough light. This is just fabulous. You cannot have enough light while you're cutting.
This will hold 100 pounds of resistance. I'll show them how easy it is to move it too.
That is awesome. You just lift this little thing and you just move it,
Push the air out.
put it down. Wow, that
And
is
charges
awesome.
with the same USB that all of the other products.
Do not miss out on this. This is awesome.